Let's explore an alternative steering technique designed to help students who are having difficulty. When students struggle to control the vehicle, and neither the shuffle nor hand-over-hand technique works for them, we have them try the following. To make a left turn, position your left hand at the 12 o'clock position and your right hand at the 6 o'clock position. To make the turn, pull down with your left hand and push up with your right hand. The car goes where the eyes go, so you should be looking at the point in the road where you want the car to go. After making the turn, return your hands to the 9 and 3 or 10 and 2 position. To make a right turn, place your right hand at the 12 o'clock position and your left hand at the 6 o'clock position. To make the turn, pull down with your right hand and push up with your left hand. Keep in mind that the car goes where your eyes go, so be sure to focus on the part of the road where you want the car to go. Then, straighten the wheel and return your hands to their original position. Failing to move your hands to the 12 and 6 positions will result in your arms getting crossed up, limiting your ability to execute a full turn.